let's make sure we're not in slow-mo. And no, we're not in slow-mo, but we are. It's afternoon. It is like, it's a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday night, 7:30. I just got off work at like 2.5 hours ago. If you can't know, I got bags under my eyes. I was trying to nap. And Travis left Sunday, came home finally today from plowing for days because of all the snow we got. Like, it was way worse than this. It doesn't even look bad right now. But anyways, he just got home this morning. He took a little nap while I was working, like 2, 3, 4 hours, somewhere around that. I don't even know, maybe 4 hours. And now we're back at it again. He got up and left. He had to actually get up and go. I was like, who is that? He had to actually get up and go.
Mom, we got some supplies.
Return some equipment. And then now we're back at it. The kids have been off school, but they actually have school tomorrow.
No, you guys. Mom, keep recording. I'll show you something.
Fun thing is, hang on, we'll do a gas station haul. Fun thing is I freaking am doing this, and then tomorrow I have a big day working with the big boss I've been talking about. My day's tomorrow, so but I hope I get my sleep. All right, what did we get from the gas station?
Okay, the first thing I'm excited about is these. Those are really good. Okay, we're gonna try these together. We got two bags of
hot Cheetos. He got Starburst.
Addie got more.
He got Pepsi. I got me dip pretzels and a Mountain Dew Code Red.
Okay, you guys ready for the try this?
Oh, and Addie's got more stuff.
God, they went on a big grocery haul.
He's fucking just like us.
Hey,
Him and his two kids are out plowing right now. His wife's out
That's actually
somewhere.
really good. It tastes like
He got freeze-dried.
freeze-dried thing. They're really good.
What'd you get, Addie?
What?
They
All I
have
have is
this.
a dark caramel triple shot. So.
Oh, well. You'll have to deal with
Mom,
it.
try this. This is good.
What are you doing?
Addie, try these.
Oh, here, see what you got. Dark caramel.
Just fired me up.
Why?
Because it's like me.
Just bite into it.
Graduated in 78. I thought he was about to tell me he knew my dad. I was about to start crying or something. Because I felt like that. Because he looks like a type of person like that. And he went to Decatur around the same time. His two boys are somewhere plowing right now. He was telling me about how the people made him get up and go. He got home at 6:30, tried to call him at 7 and make him go back. He said, that's fine, but if I wreck my truck and fall asleep, I'm going to sue the living.
Oh, he's plowing too?
Yeah, he's contracted doing it. He's in the same position we're in right now. Got nobody to do it because everybody's wore out, and he has contracts he has to do. His wife's out somewhere, he said, and his two boys are. I said, well, you're living my dream. He goes, no, you don't want this dream. That's what he said.
Well, this is not double shot. It's a triple shot of energy.
Oh, those are so nasty.
Added, I said that's all they had. If you don't drink it, I'll drink it.
Right.
Well, we came to Travis's friends. This is like the snow. I would say we got at least 12 inches. I think we were supposed to get 10. We got 12. But everything, like we got freezing. Below temperatures coming in 2 days. And then more snow. And then we have Caleb's birthday. Hopefully we'll be able to have a birthday. Any kind of celebration whenever it's going to be really bad out again.
What?
You guys might be out of school again. It's Thursday night.
Again?
And snow Friday. But we're at Travis's friends picking up a 4-wheeler. Did you do a haul on what you got?
I just got 2 bags of these baked hot Cheetos and what drink do you think I got?
Junk, Dr. Pepper, junk food, junk.
Buddy. Thumbnail.
Oh, thumbnail.
Yeah, that's your thumbnail.
This is the thumbnail like this already.
Hey, buddy.
Thumbnail ready?
Hey, guys, remember. You guys better remember.
I want more of your Starburst. That's what heating a spot. That's far. This is far. You got it. You don't think you got that?
Huh?
Oh, you're moving all?
Yeah, these fucking suck. Take this thing anywhere really, really quickly. You see how quick it's loaded and unloaded or whatever?
What do you do? You need to go further? You have to go further up, aren't you?
Damn it! Hold on to this gate real quick.
Hopefully you don't fall backwards. That's what I'm scared of. Or go backwards. That's what I'm scared of. That's going to be heavy. I'm going to drop it. You're going to roll backwards. There you go. There. How do you lock it? Are we leaving? I'm really cold. Alright, we've made it to our destination. Where's the gloves at, Addie? Definitely getting my outside workout done. You really can't get it, Caleb?
No, bro. Hey, buddy, get back home. Hey, buddy, you can't record me.
So we just came here just to get salt?
Yeah, just to get salt.
We're gonna salt everything.
You have to salt over everything so it don't get more
I know,
snow.
but I'm saying we just came here just for salt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
We
weird.
already did all this. You poured the salt after you prep it.
About to do a little stretching.
Huh? Yeah, I got something to say.
This is my job. I don't know what they're. Oh, I think they're just getting salt and putting it right here. I'm trying to record them, and I'm just reaching over. I'll sit here, right, Caleb? We'll sit here.
I wish I could go up there.
What's going on now?
I'm showing. We're gonna teach these kids.
Shouldn't we have like rubber gloves or something for their hands?
The reason it's killing me is because I have that hole in my finger, so all I've been doing is driving salt into it.
He put it on his hands and it started burning really bad, so I don't know. I don't know.
It's all about moving on. Run.
That wasn't much salt though, was it?
That's all you gotta do.
Oh, you don't put it right here?
No, that's not. These are just these dumb doors, and this is the only mistake I made over in 99 Gird or whatever. There's one I forgot it one night.
No, I don't get it. You just put it on a little. What's the point when you?
Salt case. So this is all
But I'm
for
saying, look, this part ain't done.
That's good. It's all reliability.
And where's another door?
Because say something happens, someone open that door, trips and fall, this guy could get sued. Get in the back or the trailer. Come on. We got a little bit of a walk now. Get in the trailer or the back. Trailer's probably fastest.
They're getting in the back.
Caleb. Go ahead, dude. Put your phone up though, and no goofing off. If you start goofing off, I'll pull you right back out. But I'm gonna let you be your mom right now and work for her, okay? Because I have a feeling this woman won't care.
Can you try to do this?
What, Connor? Look, this one, you guys. This is where I'm gonna have you guys help me a little bit, okay? Caleb, get out, babe. You just enjoy. Make a video tonight. There you go. This is gonna be chaotic snow plowing video. Caleb, get out. You guys are gonna learn how to work
Travis has
tonight,
been awake for 72
Hey,
hours.
here's the deal. This curve is the most important thing.
Let me see this. I forgot. Look at Caleb's Cash App name.
Oh yeah, it's so big.
It is long.
Me and Addie were
Someone would
laughing.
be like, "Well, give me your Cash App name." It's Sigma 1527747872726.
I know. Me and Addie were laughing over that.
Oh, your dad wants you.
Because I lied and I was like, it's 12377 12377.
So guys, I'm just a vlogger here.
Huh?
I'm just a vlogger.
Bye.
So bye. I'll do my job. You guys do your job.
Addie, you start down here, I'll move down there.
Get to moving. I'm vlogging. Oh, this is boring. I fall asleep like this. I'd rather be out there moving. Got my ears. You know, I've had this thing from Walmart for like 10 years. This is one of my favorite things. I found it when I was deep cleaning the other day. I was purging the other day. And I've had this Columbia jacket. Probably it's about the same amount as I had this head thing. This little Columbia jacket. Look how thin it is. But it's this inside. It's like some kind of like, it's been washed though so much because I've had it so long, it's kind of gone away, but it used to be real silver. This bad boy keeps you very, very, very warm and cozy. So, one of my favorite jackets, one of my favorite $2 headband things, and yeah. When do I need to pull up? When am I pulling up? Oh, what's he doing right now then?
He's going to take the four-wheeler real quick. I'm taking this. Addie, where's mine? I need one. You need to get a shovel, Caleb. Okay, I got one.
What's your job?
Caleb, move! Addie, shut up. My gosh. Shut up, Connor. Ooh, Connor, what you going to do about that?
Oh, here they come, here they come. Here they come, here they come. What's your job, Caleb? You're the salt guy? You got a knife?
I think.
That'd be a perfect time to use your knife. Let me know if I'll check Betty's truck. Do you need gloves?
What?
You want gloves?
No.
Travis is doing the plowing. That just reminded me of off of 10 Things I Hate About You. We watched it the other day where he goes, there will be no plowing.
There will be no plowing.
Good boy, good boy. There's Daddy. Just let me know when I'm moving. Let me know when I'm moving. I don't want to move.
As soon as they get to that corner and that's done and salted, meet me right there.
I gotta find Caleb a knife.
Look around in the door or something, a knife, but anything that's sharp.
Are you sure you don't want gloves on your hands?
No, it's fine. I'm not cold.
Well, if they start getting colder, you just need to watch that salt on your hands. That's the only thing I worry about with you guys.
Why?
Because it burned your dad's hands yesterday.
I don't know.
That's if you get it wet and it starts like burning your hands. You guys just let me know when I'm pulling you up, okay? Caleb, if I move or anything and I'm not, like, and you're about to fall, just say, hey! But I'm going to let you know before I start moving, okay? That's like the boss over there, so I'm going to feel weird vlogging, but hey, that was my job. You guys don't know, Connor was in like our second, it's our first vlog, but it was our second video I've ever done. Connor, he lives down the street. He was in that first vlogging video. And Connor went down. You alright?
Are you alright, tough guy?
You alright, Connor? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm not used to my bike. It's been on the couch. Oh, check my.
Did you get any scratches or scrapes?
No.
No blood?
Nope.
They were so little. And now look at my babies. Caleb was a baby. Remember my first vlogging video? Connor was in it. Look at him now. All grown up. It's so sad. So sad how fast time goes. Like, I cannot believe it. Time is a thief. And it's almost like when you have kids and you have more kids, time even moves really, really fast because, you know, you're watching them grow up. When you're younger, it's like not too bad. But watching them grow up, just like Tressie, already about to be 3 years old, you guys. How is that? Like, I swear I was just pregnant with her yesterday. Alright, let's get this heat up-blowing. Let's get the heat on the seats going. There she goes. There she goes. Let me know if I need to move up.
And this is the one that was at...
We'll get your dad and tell him there's all fire. No, I won't.
Connor, I was saying you were in my very first vlog. You were so little. I think you were smaller than what Caleb is right now.
What about me?
Of course. Now look at you being a man.
Here, try and put some of this in your thing,
Addie.
Try and put some of that in there, because I poured way
You got it, need my help.
Got it. I got it.
There you go, that should be good.
I'm going to move it out of your way so you can climb over. There you go.
Oh,
Look at this, ma'am.
Hit my kneecap. That
Shake
hurt.
it off. I got my elbow yesterday.
Whoa!
I got a big old bump. School tomorrow. Look at you. Alright, I'll start pulling up.
Alright.
There's this gum in here. Sorry, Felipe, but I'm stealing some of your gum. It's good.
He almost did stop because he knows what's right and wrong. You understand me?
He doesn't do that to you.
But he almost did what you did and stop because he knows a proper handshake when he sees one, okay?
Where am I going now?
Get in there with your mom.
For what? I thought you
Addie,
needed
Addie,
pictures.
You're not spreading salt right now, are you? Okay. Don't touch the button until you get down there. Go down there and pick them up.
I thought you needed pictures.
I got all three.
Did you not take it?
No, he didn't take a
Caleb.
picture yet.
Huh? You don't have to either, but I'm trying to get it. You can't. This is responsibility. And he likes to do that. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, next. All right, we're moving on to the next job now. Well, it's just literally all in the same parking lot. Besides, I know a few of them aren't, right? Travis found our schedule, but Addie knows where to go. Travis is driving over there in the Bobcat. Or four-wheeler. Tired?
Yeah.
I got work all day.
I got school all day.
No, you don't. I got work literally feels like till morning till night, and I gotta work with the big boss.
Dude, my body hurts
So I
so
gotta
bad.
be-
Can we go get a massage?
All right, there's $20 massages I used to go to. I used to go to these $20 ones. They were sketchy. I bet if we went in saying we want to, it would happen.
Ew. I
Stroke
said the
it.
Lay's truck.
Which way? Lay's trucks.
This one right here.
Where?
Right here.
Right?
Straight and then right. He said the Lay's
There's no Lay's trucks.
Oh, he must be.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
No, that's not Lay.
I know.
I see him. I see him. Here.
All by myself. Well, we're just gonna have to ask Travis on that one.
So we're going right here.
Think so.
He said Lay's. That's Sarah Lee.
Sarah Lee.
Sarah Lee. That ain't Lay's. Woo, we're kicking butt. We got our last one over here, and then we're gonna head off to a new area. But we are kicking it. What time is it? 10.
No, it's 9:39.
I was about to say, is it 10:30 for reals though? Did we turn right here? What is it? There is no way.
Milwaukee or whatever.
Milwaukee.
What is it?
It might be food. I don't know. Look at Milwaukee. The company Milwaukee. There's Travis, our Milwaukee Club. Maybe it looks like a auto part. This is a branch. What's Milwaukee? What's a tool?
Badass tools. Hey, listen. One person. Your job right now. All those little bumper things. See how nasty they are.
Oh,
all
we
the
gotta
way
clean
cleaned
those?
off, right?
We gotta clean the bumpers.
Yeah, look, these ones right here. See, not all. Those get better now.
I'm pulling up.
And then, hey, the sidewalk up here, guys.
I'm pulling up, Caleb. Wait a
It
minute.
looks pretty good. Hey, I don't think we need to salt the sidewalk though. So get the edge cleaned
Where's
off
Caleb?
and salt the edge. And
Pull it up.
This is our next area we're cleaning, and then we're on to the next. Look at that, though. Looks like a disaster.
It's a lot better than it did, Mom.
All right. Let's go. What?
Is that your friend?
Now is the time when we all start getting cranky and tired and all that. Look at my little concoction, though. I just had to pee, and there's nowhere to pee, so I rolled Addie's cover up into the windows. Woo-wee. And I got my peeing done. Here we go. Now we're freezing. Woo-wee, that coldness is getting us now. It's about to start getting to those negative numbers. Woo-wee. Sucky thing is I had this jacket when I was skinny in my skinnier days, so now I feel like okay, I guess. So we can get done and sit in the truck and get warm till the next drive.
yeah. Thank you very much. Guess what, kids?
I'm tired. Look at
Head
this.
towards that way, around to Greenwood.
I thought we were in Greenwood.
Oh, fuck it. Close towards the house. I feel like this is like far deep Greenwood.
All right, we're going into the gas station now. I'm gonna get some Subway, I think. I'll be right back. Why are you holding on to me like that?
Because I'm cold.
Subway.
I hope it's open.
I've been in this gas station a lot with Travis working. XA the Subway. What? It's on. It's working. Yep, we're good. We're good.
Andy said watch picking shit like that up.
Why?
He's a truck driver and he knows truck stops.
What'd this just do to me?
Hey, dude, guess last night.
Anyways, there was Subway wasn't open.
People's putting poison on shit like that. You know what?
In the girls' bathroom? Anyways, I found a dime.
There's a brand new nice stroller sitting right by the trash can. Andy just said, yeah, like people's putting nice strollers right by the trash and putting poison on them. I swear to God, you just.
But anyways, hopefully this don't have poison on it. We're at a truck stop, but someone who drives trucks says that happens. Well, if I'm poisoned, I'm poisoned at this point. Too late. So the kids went back into. Well, we're about to leave again. I'm tired. We might be going home because it's almost midnight. Actually, yeah, almost midnight, and I gotta work in the morning. And kids have school, so. Hi guys. So it's the next day. What happened to her? Come here, sissy. So it's the next day. I need my rice cake, peanut butter, banana, honey. So Travis ended up dropping me, Caleb, and Connor off about 1:30 this morning because I had work. I had a busy day today. Caleb had the kids at school. Addie went back out with him, but I came home and crashed and had to get for a big day at work. It feels like a dream that I even worked today. After work, I came home. After work, I crashed for a minute just now. But there's no crashing with kids and stuff. So I just woke up. We actually ordered, I'm supposed to be on my diet. I ordered so much bad food. We ordered pizza, Arby's. Yep. Tell them, but give them a thumbs up. Was the pizza good? Yep, we got pizza.
She fell.
Haven't worked out. Today is just going to be a day where we don't do that.
Yep.
I'm eating some healthy rice cake and peanut butter and banana.
Yep.
Caleb did something to Tressie.
No, I didn't.
Where she fell and she was
fell,
crying.
yeah.
She said, "Why would you do that? Why would you do that?"
Hi guys, welcome to your face.
Alright, well, I'm getting off here and saying bye. I just didn't say bye last night.
Bye. Bye guys, welcome
Tell
to
'em bye.
your.
Say love ya.
Love you.